Hi guys, I have today Wipro Smart Plug. Today I am going to unbox this. Hi guys, this is the Wipro Smart Plug. I am going to unbox now today. This is the smart plug. Two sides you have button and next side you don't have button. This is the quick start guide. I asked my mother for plugging this. Next, open the Wipro Next Smart Home app. Then click on plus and add device. Then click on socket Wi-Fi and plug this and hold button for 5 seconds. Then it is blinking. Confirm the indicator is blinking and smart plug is now downloading in setting on the app, and this is added successfully. This is set up. Now click on done and you have controls. Click on power on and your plug will on. Can switch off by using the plug and using Alexa or Google Assistant. You can also switch on, off or on with using mobile. Now I will show how to start the cooler. Now I asked mother to plug in socket. This is on now. Holding the to switch off. My mother to switch off the plug. I ask my mother to plug in. And this is now on. We can use Alexa for turning on. I will turn on the TV and this is on. I will ask Alexa to turn off. Alexa, turn off the plug. Now it is on. Off. I will say for turning on the TV. Alexa, turn on the plug. Now it is on. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.